the benefits of which are now being discovered. Today's preparation is a prebiotic which greatly enhances gut health and promotes immunity. Made from jackfruit seeds, a tasty and spicy preparation that goes well with almost all dishes. Powdered Jackfruit Seed Stir Fry. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. For the preparation, we will need jackfruit seeds. Removed from the ripe jackfruit, these seeds have been washed and dried in the sun. Even 1 day of drying is enough. That way, the outer white covering, which is inedible, can be peeled off easily. Once you remove the outer covering of all the seeds, collect them in a bowl. This soft brown skin of the seed is edible and need not be removed. Now for the ingredients. I have taken around 300 grams of peeled jackfruit seeds. We will also need oil, mustard seeds, and curry leaves for seasoning. Also 2 medium-sized onions, and for the spice mix, split black urad dal, chana dal, coriander seeds, whole black pepper, methi seeds, red chilies, tamarind, and salt as per taste. The spices can be adjusted in proportion to the quantity of jackfruit seeds that are going to be used. To a saucepan, add water. Switch on the stove. Add the peeled jackfruit seeds. High in antioxidants and rich in protein, thiamin, riboflavin, iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc, these nutty seeds help in turning the food you eat into energy, prevent bacterial infection, and promote digestion. They also help to keep your eyes, skin, and hair healthy. Once the water starts boiling, cover with the lid and boil on medium heat. Open once or twice and stir the seeds to ensure uniform cooking. Open and check after 15 minutes. Insert a fork or any sharp instrument. I am able to pierce the seed with a fork. At this stage, switch off the stove. Drain the excess water using a colander. Allow the seeds to cool. In the meantime, to prepare the spice mixture, heat a frying pan. Add half a teaspoon of any cold-pressed oil. To this, add 1/4 cup of split black urad dal. Urad dal with the skin is rich in fiber and nutrition. Fry for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Fry. And add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Fry for a few seconds. Now add half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds. Add around 15 red chilies. I am adding 10 of the spicy variety and 5 to 6 badgi chilies for color. You can use any variety of chilies and according to taste. Add half a teaspoon of salt to this. When you add salt while frying the red chilies, you will not get the pungent flavor, so there is no coughing or choking. Add tamarind. Fry for a few minutes. Transfer to a plate and allow it to cool. Once cooled, remove the stems from the red chilies and transfer to a mixer jar. Pulse to a medium coarse powder. Transfer to a plate. Now take the jackfruit seeds, add in portions to the mixer jar and pulse to a coarse powder. Set aside. Take 2 medium-sized onions, peel and chop them fine. Heat a kadai, add 4 to 5 teaspoon oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seed starts sputtering, add the curry leaves and then add the finely chopped onions. Fry till the onions turn translucent. And add the freshly ground spice powder. Fry for a minute and add the coarsely powdered jackfruit seeds. Jackfruit seeds have both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. Insoluble fiber promotes digestion of food. Stir and mix. I had already added salt at the time of frying the red chilies. I am adding half a teaspoon of salt now. Also, a part of the starch present in jackfruit seeds is resistant starch, which helps reduce the risk of colon cancer. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil gives an enhanced taste to the dish. Stir until everything is well combined. Switch off the stove. You can serve it with millet rice. This is Sambar rice. You can serve it with regular rice along with Sambar, Rasam, or any gravy of your choice. I have shown the preparation of different types of millet rice. You can find the link for the video in the description box below. It also serves as a great accompaniment for roti, chapati, puri, and dosa. Enjoy the benefits of jackfruit seeds by making this tasty and delicious preparation. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.